Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to register Sony products for warranty in 2026. For that, you need to first of all open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for productregistration.sony.com. So this is going to redirect you on the official product registration page. Now over here, you need to first of all provide your first name, your last name, your email address, then select your model number and then simply check this box of terms and conditions and click on the option of submit your registration. Now you can also submit your application information in order to verify your purchase or gift, and then you need to upload your proof of purchase for verification. So it is going to be our second step. So you need to fill out all of these details and upload the proof of purchase. Afterwards, review your information and submit your registration form. So once successful, your product will appear in your My Sony dashboard for future support and warranty claims. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.